and 3PEC students have invented an air cycle. What's that? We are going to show you just here.
Have you ever heard of an air cycle? No? Well, that's understandable, because the air cycle has just been invented. It is the brainwave of 3PEC students of mechanical engineering. Basically, an air cycle is a bicycle that runs not on the rider's own pedal power, but on the power of compressed air. The rider has only to start the super lightweight machine, and compressed air drives the motor that moves the chain and turns the wheels. The fuel is not petrol or LPG, but simple compressed oxygen. The youngsters Abhir Sharma, Jatin Sharma and Harpinderjeet Singh have taken the first steps in patenting their invention, and the revolutionary bicycle itself will be on display at the Punjab Engineering College after May 30th.
ये ज़्यादा देर तो चलने वाले नहीं है, तो हमें ऑल्टरनेट सोर्स कोई ढूंढना पड़ेगा. ऑल्टरनेट सोर्स जैसे बैटरीज वगैरह भी हैं आजकल, और दूसरा एक कंप्रेस्ड एयर भी यूज हो सकती है. तो बस फ्यूचर का देख के इसलिए.
और इसकी मेंटेनेंस कैसे होगी?
मेंटेनेंस इसमें कुछ ज्यादा नहीं है, बस एक मोटर लगी हुई है और उसकी भी कोई खास मेंटेनेंस नहीं होती. उसकी ऑयलिंग करनी पड़ती है आपको. बाकी बस इससे सिलेंडर से कंप्रेस्ड एयर जाती है जो उसको ड्राइव करती है.
This air cycle is completely non-polluting as no fuel is burnt. While experimenting with the compressed air engine, the students bought cylinders of oxygen from industrial units. But if the air cycle goes into commercial production, a more convenient way of supplying cyclists with compressed air will have to be found. Possibly, it could be sold from petrol pumps just like LPG is sold now.
हमारा प्लान था कि हम एक व्हीकल बनाए जो कि एयर से चले. तो हमने ये व्हीकल बनाया. हमने वैसे बाइसाइकिल बनाई है. तो अगर ये आगे कमर्शियलाइज हुआ तो हम ये कार में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, किसी भी बड़ी व्हीकल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं.
Once they had conceived the idea, the students labored over the invention for 4 months before they perfected a working prototype. They say that they did not have any easy time of it. For example, finding that a suitable motor was not available in Chandigarh, they bought one from Delhi. However, their PEC professors encouraged them and PEC helped them with money. In all, they spent rupees 15,000 on their prototype.
बेसिकली इस प्रोजेक्ट को पूरे को डिजाइन करने के लिए हमें अराउंड 3 मंथ्स लगे हैं और अराउंड 15,000 का खर्चा आया. फंड्स बेसिकली हमें कॉलेज प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. तो अभी बेसिकली हमने अप्लाई किया बट लेकिन कॉलेज हमें फंड्स दे देगा.
Will we see air cycles on Chandigarh roads one day? It could happen, and certainly anything that is environment friendly is always welcome. With cameraman Arun Sharma and Anmol Sandhu in Chandigarh, Kunal Chauhan, Day and Night News.
That's all we have in this bulletin of Capital. Stay tuned to Day and Night News for further updates.